The stitches for rounds 7 to 14 are all the same. In rounds 7 to 14, work 1 chain stitch, 36 single crochets, and finally 1 slip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 7. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be 36 single crochets in total. Mark the first stitch. Keep working the rest of single crochets in the same way. We have demonstrated 15 single crochets. Please finish the rest 21 single crochets by yourself. 36 single crochets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 7 is done. Please finish rounds 8 to 14 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 36 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 14 is done. Then we'll insert the safety eyes. Insert the safety eyes between rounds 11 and 12. Insert the other eye in the same way, spacing 2 eyes 8 stitches apart. Then put on safety back pieces. Two eyes are completed. Put the hook back into the loop. In round 15, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Work 1 more single crochet. 2 single crochets are done. Then work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. A regular stitch, namely a V shape, has 2 loops. The one close to us is a front loop. We'll make the decrease through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Pay attention to the needle. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Okay, there are 3 loops unhooked now. Yarn and hook, and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops unhook. Yarn and hook, and pull the yarn through both loops unhook. That's 1 decrease. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is a front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set. Work 2 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops unhooked now. Yarn and hook, and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops. Yarn and hook again, and pull the yarn through both loops and hook. That's 1 decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. The second set is done. The third set. Work 2 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Work 2 single crochets. The fourth set. Work 2 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Work 2 single crochets. The fifth set. Work 2 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Work 2 single crochets. The 6th set. Work 2 single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Work 2 single crochets. Six sets are done. Work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Remove the marker. Round 15 is done.